Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the Spotify queue feature. I'll show you how to manage your queue by adding and removing songs from it. I'll also show you how to do it on both desktop Spotify and the mobile app. As always, if you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On desktop, you can access your play queue by clicking the queue button to the left of the volume bar on the song controls of Spotify. The queue shows you what you are currently playing and what songs are currently in the queue to play next. Since we haven't added any songs to the queue ourselves, the next up part is Spotify's automated suggestions. You can add any song to the queue by finding the song in Spotify, then hitting the three dots options button for it and selecting Add to Queue. If we go back to the queue now, we can see that our songs are lined up ready to play. From the queue screen here, you can remove any songs from the lineup and also reorder the queue. To remove songs, tap the three dots button for the track and then select Remove from Queue. On the Spotify mobile app, you get to the queue by tapping the queue button at the very bottom right of the Now Playing area. Here you can view your queue and easily manage the order of it. To add a song to the queue, simply find it within Spotify, tap the three dots options button and then select Add to Queue. You can reorder items in the queue by holding down on the far right side of the song and dragging it to your preferred position. To delete songs from the queue, select them with the left checkboxes and then hit Remove. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.